5 Best Floor Buffer for Hardwood Stone Marble Floors Review. Number 1. Auric Commercial ORB550MC Orbiter Machine. Auric Commercial ORB550MC Orbiter Machine has a great cleaning capability for vinyl, wood, tile, and other hard floors. It weighs around 24 pounds. There is a 13-inch cleaning path so that you can clean in a versatile manner. It has got a 50-foot power cord. It's suitable for cleaning with brushes, cleaning solutions, bonnets, shampoos, and pads. There is a brush head that rotates with no torque. It keeps going following a random orbit. As a result, it becomes quite handy for you to clean the floor. There's an easy fingertip control system for you to get the best cleaning experience. You can dry clean your carpet with this machine. It can deep clean the high institutional carpets. It can also clean and remove the oil stains out of concrete, hardwood, tile, grout and vinyl floors. Number 2. Mercury L17E Low Boy Floor Machine. Mercury L17E Low Boy Floor Machine comes with a 17-inch metal housing. It allows to cover a wide area while cleaning. You can use this floor buffer on multiple types of floors such as vinyl, tile, and other hardwood floors. With this machine, you can also dry clean and remove dirt from the carpeted floors. It has a 1.5 horsepower electric motor. With the help of this motor, the brush can rotate at a speed of 175 RPM. This machine's height is around 48 inches. But the handle is adjustable for people with different heights. There is option for locking too. So, you can clean in a versatile manner with this machine. Number 3. Auric Orbiter All-in-One Floor Cleaner. Auric Orbiter All-in-One Floor Cleaner is the machine that will take you to the pinnacle of cleanings. This machine makes your job very simple. With this machine, you can easily strip, scrub, wax, or polish multiple types of floors. It can polish all kinds of floors and also can deep perfectly clean your carpet. So, you can already guess how versatile it is. The machine weighs around 22.2 pounds. So, you can find it lighter than many other machines. The height of the machine is around 144 centimeters, 57 inches. Durable zinc and steel-made motor ensures the power you need. With this machine, you can get extra pads, scrubbers, and cleaning solutions. It's virtually maintenance-free as there is nothing to wear out. Number 4. Koblenz ERM 1715 Industrial Floor Machine. Koblenz ERM 1715 Industrial Floor Machine can be considered as one of the best floor buffer for home use. It has got an induction motor of 1.5 horsepower. The motor is vibration-free. It has got a 17-inch burnishing pad. With this pad, you can easily clean a larger area within a short amount of time. The pad rotates at a speed of 175 RPM. The entire machine weighs around 82 pounds. So, you may find it a bit heavier. But still, the vibration-free motor makes handling easy. Double ball bearing wheels of this machine leave no swirling mark while gliding on the floor. There is a 50-foot power cord that comes along with the machine. The chrome steel handle of the machine protects against any operator error. At the same time, it prevents operator fatigue too. Number 5. Clark CFP Pro 17 HD Polisher. Clark CFP Pro 17 HD Polisher is one of the most versatile floor buffers. The weight of the machine is about 101 pounds. It has got a motor with a power of 1.5 horsepower. With the help of the motor, the brush head of this machine can rotate at a speed of 175 RPM. This machine is excellent at removing grouts, stain marks, oil from the floor. Not only that, but it can also polish, scrub, and grind the floor in a spotless way. It's well recommended for heavy-duty usage because this one is an all-metal construction machine. One of the best things is, this machine can work at only 65 decibels. So, say goodbye to noisy cleaning procedures. This machine works on almost every type of floor.